Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Now we are going to start lesson 4 with the grammar part from the book Grammaire en dialogue niveau débutant. I'm really happy that we arrived till here, and I think that I hope that you can learn whatever I say in the videos and practice thousands times. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like the videos. If you have any comments, questions, ask in the comment parts. From this lesson, we are going another type of the verb. As you already know, we started the first group verbs, le verbe du premier groupe that ended in or, and we learned about their conjugations. Now, faire, it is another important, really important, so you must know the conjugation passionately, because we need it from now on a lot. It is really popular and it is really useful in conversations. Faire, it is a verb like make and do in English language. As you already know, in English language we have different phrases with make and do. So in French language it is the same. We have so many different phrases with faire. This is to do or to make. Faire, as you already see, it is not ended in ro, and instead of ro it is ended it is ended in ro. It is not ended in or. It is, for example, manger. For example, manger. This is a verb, le verbe premier. This is the verb of first group because it is ended in or, but faire, it is ended in ro. So this is not the first group, it is the second group, as I classified for you in previous videos. Faire. Forme familière, la forme affirmative, the positive form, I will pronounce for you. The pronunciation is so important. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle, on fait. So all three, first person, second person, and third person, are fait. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, on fait. That's really easy. Nous faisons. Guys, instead of if you know about the rules of pronunciation, ai in French language is pronounced e. Okay, for example, in this word faire, you don't say faire or for or something like that. Faire, it is pronounced like that. Ai is pronounced e. So faire, but in here this is an exception. This is an exception. Instead of faisons, you must tell faisons. It is pronounced faisons. Nous faisons. Don't say faisons. Nous faisons. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait. Nous faisons. Vous faites. Ils font, elles font. Vous faites, ils font, elles font. I do or I make, and etc. You make, you do, etc. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait. Nous faisons, don't forget about it. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. La forme négative, you say that, you know that you put no before the conjugation of the verb pas after that. Je ne fais pas, tu ne fais pas. Don't say je ne fais pas. It is correct, but it is not popular. Je ne fais pas, tu ne fais pas. Il ne fait pas, elle ne fait pas, on ne fait pas. Nous ne faisons pas, vous ne faites pas. Ils ne font pas, elles ne font pas. This is about the negative form. Même conjugaison pour refaire and défaire. I don't deal with these verbs because they are not in the context, and I cannot say about the meanings because guys, you know that in any other language, in any languages, we must learn the vocabularies in the context. So defaire, refaire and defaire, they are two verbs that are similar with faire but different meanings, and I will tell you whenever we see them in the context. But there is the same conjugation. Okay, you say, for example, you say je fais. For refait, you say je refais, je défais. Like that. Je défais, je refais. Tu fais, tu refais, tu défais. For example, nous faisons, nous refaisons, nous défaisons. Like that. You can write all of them for all subject pronouns in your notebook. Now about some phrases with faire. The first phrase, guys, is faire du sport. I will write for you here. Faire du sport. Faire du sport. Faire du sport. Faire du sport means to do exercise, to play a sport, to do a sport. Faire du sport. Vous faites du sport, it's a question, it's a question avec intonation. There is no esco, there is no inversion, so it's a normal type of question. Vous faites du sport. Do you play a sport? Oui, yes. Je fais du jogging. Faire du jogging, right? Faire du jogging. I do jogging. Tous les dimanches. Tous les dimanches. Dimanche means Sunday. Tous les dimanches. All the Sundays. I fais du piano. Faire du piano. Another one. So I will write you faire du jogging. Faire du jogging, make a category of them. Faire du, which one? Guys, here. Faire du piano. Faire du piano means to play piano. Faire du piano means to play piano. Il fait du piano. He plays piano. Je fais le ménage. Faire le ménage. Another one is faire le. They are the collocations with faire. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage means to do the housework. Faire le ménage, to do the housework. Je fais le ménage. I do the housework. Ce soir, tonight. Ce soir, tonight. I will tell you about so in next videos. Ce soir means tonight. Ils font des travaux. Faire des travaux. Faire, guys, faire des travaux. Faire des travaux means to do the repair works. For example, to fix something in the house, to mend something in the house, about the taps, about for example, about the hoses, everything that are related, or tiles, ceramics, everything. Faire des travaux, or sometimes you want to fix a wall or something. Whatever repairing work in the house is called faire des travaux. Ils font des travaux. They do the repairing works. Nous faisons les courses ensemble. Ensemble means together. Faire les courses. Faire les courses. Faire les courses. Sorry. Faire les courses means to do shopping. Faire les courses, to do shopping. Nous faisons les courses ensemble. We do shopping together. Il fait beau. Il fait beau. They are related to the weather. Il fait beau. When you say il fait beau, it means that the weather is good. Il fait beau. Faire beau for the weather, it means that the weather is good. It is nice. Il fait beau. The weather is nice. Il fait mauvais. This is in contrary. This is the antonym. Il fait mauvais means that the weather is bad. Aujourd'hui, today, Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud means faire chaud. For the weather is that it's hot. Il fait chaud means it is hot today. Dans cette salon. Sorry. Dans cette salle. Salle means salon, saloon, or hall. Dans cette salon, in this saloon, or in this hall, it is hot. En hiver means in winter. En hiver, in winter, you know about the seasons. En hiver, in winter, il fait froid. Faire froid means that it is cold. Il fait froid, it is cold. So guys, related to weather, il fait beau, it is nice, the weather is nice. Il fait il fait mauvais, the weather is bad. Il fait chaud, the weather is hot. Or il fait froid, the weather is cold. The weather is cold. Here, guys. In the next video, I will tell you about prendre. I don't want to make the videos longer and longer because it is really easy for you to understand them, and it will not be boring. Good time, bye.